Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I am Amanda, and today I'm doing a unboxing slash review of Jeulia jewelry. I already opened like the main wrapping paper, like the shipping packing plastic thing, and unboxed this gorgeous box. I have not yet opened it. I wanted to get on their website really quick and check out. You guys know I love all things fall, so this like speaks to my heart right now. They have the nicest jewelry, you guys. Like when they reached out to me, they gifted me the thing I'm gonna be unboxing, and they told me to pick out one thing from their website. It was so difficult to pick out one thing because they have so many nice things. But one thing that I do love about them is that they all of their like diamonds and jewelry, well, diamonds and everything it's all made in their lab. Everything is conflict free, which is really nice. All of their items are made to order, which is also really nice. But yeah, I am just super excited. I have looked up some other reviews from this company before I agreed to like partake in this, just because you know, a little hesitant. I'm still a newer YouTuber myself, and when someone reached out to me asking, hey, can I send you some jewelry? I'm like, okay, what's the catch? Because, you know, like, I don't know. So all the reviews are so great. The quality of the jewelry is really good. I do also love how they have moissanite gems, and they have morganite gems as well. I'm going to show you guys, before I unbox, I'm going to show you guys. So I picked out some earrings. So they have, I'm going to show you guys right here. Menu. Okay, so this is their website. Really cute things. I have heard the quality of their rings is like out of this world, unreal. I should have got a ring, but I'm really into earrings, and they have the cutest, like, look, oh my gosh, how cute. Look, how cute is that? So cute. Okay, I hope you guys can even see this. Okay, so here's a menu. I just love how user-friendly their website is. So there's new, which I'm assuming is like their like fall collection, which is really cool. Wedding collection, rings, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, charms, and design your own. You guys, you can design your own jewelry, and they make it for you. Like, that just blows my mind. So I got earrings. Here's all of their earring collections. Like, I don't even know if you guys can see, but so many cute earrings. They have like everything you could want. They have stud earrings, drop earrings, hoop earrings, jacket earrings, which I've never owned a pair of jacket earrings. Climber earrings. Climber earrings is what caught my eye, because I have some of these on my Amazon wish list, and I was like, oh my gosh, they have the climber earrings. I'm gonna get those. Let's try them. So I ordered these ones. Okay, so that's them. I also will be linking the link to these earrings along with their YouTube channel and their website down below in the description box as well, in case you guys want to check them out. That will be down below, and all the good things. But so right now these are retailing for $45, originally $70 with 30% off, so that's kind of cool. So let's open the box. From watching other YouTube videos and all the other reviews, people are like shocked and amazed and like just in awe with the jewelry, so I'm super excited to open my box. Okay, all right, so here's the box. I already showed you guys. I do love it. I think it's really cute. Premium artisan jewelry is what it says. I don't know if you guys want to know that, but okay. So, oh, okay. Basically lets you know about their return and exchange policy, which it's kind of helpful because it's good to know that you can exchange and you can return, so that's nice. And what else is in here? Okay, coupon code. Very nice. Okay, and here's a little booklet. How cute is this? I love that it's pink. Okay, so here's a little bit about them. I do love that they actually make everything per order. It talks about the design, talks about the stone selection, the model making. A lot of steps go into making these beautiful pieces of jewelry. That's amazing. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like these like earrings and the jewelry they have, it's extremely affordable. I didn't really like talk about price too much with you guys, but I told you the earrings I got were $45. I feel like everything's really affordable to have that such high quality and that price point, like pretty amazing. And I think the rest of it just shows the other like things that they have created. So like I said, I'll be linking their website down below. So if you guys want to check it out and shop, it's down in the description box. So please feel free to check it out. A little bag in case I were to gift it. Is there anything in here? Oh, a card. That's sweet. Okay, cool. What's this? Oh, it's a polishing cloth. Oh, that's cool. Oh, my earrings are gonna stay sparkly for life. The earrings are gonna come in like just like this. Super cute. It feels very sturdy. Okay. Are you guys excited to see them? I'm so excited to open them. I'm kind of like nervous. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh. How gorgeous. I want you guys to be able to see this. I am like, wow. Those look almost real. Wow, look at the detail. I'm like blown away. Like I cannot stop staring at these. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. I am gonna wear these every single day. One thing that I really do like, I love lab created anything. Like I feel like it's just changing the world, these things, and how similar these look to real diamonds. It's really cool. I think these are absolutely like breathtaking. How gorgeous. I'm definitely gonna be shopping with Jeulia more often. Oh gosh, and look. I love inside how it's normally gold, or it's normally silver, inside's like a gold, like a coppery color. I love that. Very, very cute. Okay, I'm gonna try these on. I'm so excited to try these on. That like is such a statement right there. Like these look expensive. If you were to gift these to somebody, they would think that you spent hundreds. So that is. So this is how they look. And sorry, they're mowing the lawn right now, so sorry for the background noise. So I put it through. I've never had a pair of climber earrings before, so I don't really know how they work, but I'm just gonna wing it. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys can't even see it because my hair's in the way. I'm obsessed. How beautiful. And they have like a nice, like my ears are not being pinched, but it's like holding my ear tight, and I feel like it's not gonna slide down. I feel like I won't have to worry about it like sliding down or like anything. I'm obsessed. Jeulia, thank you. These are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. And the stones feel really secure too. Like I don't feel like I'm gonna have to worry about them falling out. And it's starting to rain. All right, let's see here. I am so obsessed with these. Oh my gosh. I'm living for this. How beautiful. So I only have 2 piercings. So I have my main hole and then I have my second hole, but I've always wanted to have this look. That's one thing I love about the climber earrings. apologize for the lawn mowing noise you guys hear in the background, or leaf blowing, or whatever they're doing, but I just wanted to close the video. Thank you so much, Jeulia. I love these earrings. I will definitely be buying more jewelry from Jeulia. And yeah, thank you, YouTube, for watching, and I hope it's one of your favorites. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye.